Okay, when I was reading that introduction, there's this comparison. I mean, because each time we talk about inflation, the perception is about, okay, prices have actually gone down. On paper, that's the Bureau of Statistics. Now, going down to the streets, does the 18.02% actually reflect in the prices of goods we see in our markets? That's the question that the other man is asking, and I'm putting it to you, Dr. Ikechukwu.
Okay, before we look at whether these prices have reflected what an average consumer sees in the marketplace, I think it is a welcome development to see that even on paper, that our inflation rate is dropping to up to 18.02. Recall that year on year, around this time last year, the inflation rate was as high as about 32.6 or thereabouts. And so from then till now, for us to have that rate reduced to 18.02% is a very good development. However, if we also look at month on month, we are still growing. We are still doing better, in terms of inflation rate. It's a long time we saw the rates come lower than 20%, like you said. But when we also look at the benchmark for the budget for 2025, we haven't reached where we're supposed to be, which is supposed to be 15%. When we look at the inflation average for Africa, we are still not there yet, because that average is about 4.5, 4.8. And so we need to work towards getting to the African average and achieve that. As a matter of fact, it's our figure that is actually making the average to look a little higher. So we still have a lot of work to be done. Okay. Coming to whether the average man on the street is experiencing lower prices of goods and services, what I can tell you is the fact that an average man is experiencing some stability in prices, stability in cost of doing business. Before now, we didn't have that kind of stability. Before now, you could go to the market today, buy things, and the next day you go to the same market, the prices will have increased, but we have some level of stability right now. It is only from stability that you start having some reduction in prices, which is actually what may have informed this marginal reduction in inflation rates.